Hey guys, doing a review on these headlights. They're supposed to be the LED Super Mini 4-side Autofather. That's what it says. 13. Well, I got the regular head bulbs in my older car, just the regular light bulbs. So we're gonna try to go to these babies right here. This comes with it. LED headlight. And you get your little manual in there. And it comes in a pretty nice box. I'll tell you that. And look at that beauty. Wow. With a fan on the back. Wow, that's beautiful. I wanted to switch because I wanted to get better lighting in my car. And they got the, let's see, 3 prongs in there. Oh yeah, that looked like it's gonna match up pretty good. Okay guys, we back. I am very excited to get these lights in. Just like I was saying, this is the old light and this is the new light. And I want to show you how to proceed. What holds the light in once you get the light in there. But see right here, you want to turn this black part, and it's a certain spot. We'll turn it that way, and 1 second. Once you turn it a certain way, this part will lift off. So all you have is this, but this part went on right there. You got to push it on there all the way and then turn it. That's just to get this part on here. Because, well, actually it goes this way. And then once you get that part in, you want to put the part that you just now took off line it up. You gotta kind of look at it like that and twist it back. So now you end up with that right there. So whenever you get ready to install the light, it's going to screw straight in. So I'm expecting these to be a lot brighter. And this is what we're working with right now. This is one of them. I still have to do the other one. We have my beautiful light bulb. So I'm gonna go in. Whoop. Go straight through the hole. And we're going to twist. But there we go. I think we got something going. And you probably, sometimes I use a little bit of super glue. Not just one drop, y'all. Not no, because you don't want to be able to get this thing stuck. But wow, you guys, this is very, very bright. That's high beams. The 4 of them come on with high beams, and with low beams only 2 of them come on. And you can feel this, you can see that fan spinning, you guys. That is exciting, and that is very bright, as you can see. Well, it's daytime. You gotta think this is daytime. Wow, you guys, I'm very excited. I can feel the heat coming off this sucker. But I'm gonna get back with you. It took a little bit of maneuvering, guys, but I finally got her in. If you can see that. This is outside still, so you probably can't see too much, but this is what we ended up with. Pour it down. These prongs in here, sometimes when you get ready to put them in your socket of your original light, they bend. So if you're not getting high beam or low beam, it means that these right here are not going into the right position. As you can see, they're like little prong things that slide in, or you could have a connection problem. If one of these are out, the red, white, and black, you could have a problem too. So I'm sitting here trying to get these corrected. Don't push it in too hard, because you gotta take your time and just make sure. Don't press it. Just, you know, wait till a day to where you can take your time to put these in, because if these things don't go in the right slot or they bend, then I think you're gonna have a problem. But hey guys, back at you again. Okay, if you got everything correctly on your light bulbs before you put them in, this is low beam. You only got 2 lights on, and see on the back side, these 2 are off. I'm gonna go flip the high beam switch. You see those 2 yellow ones? You got low beam, 2 lights, and your high beam, it's supposed to be 4 lights. But see, the tricky part about this, guys, is your connection. Make sure you know, you might have to bang your pin sometimes, and that's what I went through. I'm just giving you an honest review. But once you get them in all the right positions, then your light should be working. But that's low beam, because you got 2 lights on. I'm gonna show you high beam. Okay guys, you see you got all 4 lights on. That's high beam, guys. And I'm about to put these guys back in, these beautiful lights, and see what we got going on here. Okay, I got them all installed, guys. You see that bright? It's even in the daytime. I may have to rotate the lights, maybe. And here's the other one. They're all installed. And there's the other beauty. And one piece of advice that I got to give you guys is that when you're taking out your old light bulbs, make sure you don't touch them, because those suckers are hot. I found out the wrong way, and I touched my finger on it, and it burnt my skin off. Wow guys, look, we got them in. You see that beautiful, what is that, orange brass cutter? I think they're a lot brighter, guys. I really do. But this right here, I need to clean this off. This can just be wiped off, but I didn't want to mess up the test. But yes sir, YouTube, yes. Look at that, guys. These are the LED lights. They are so bright you can barely even see anybody in the car. And I'll give these 5 thumbs up.